Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to take you through my current get ready with me routine, my current skincare and makeup routine for summers. We are officially into summers, at least here in Delhi. It's really hot right now, and this is the look that I'm going for these days. I mean, this is the end of the day, so my face is a little tired, of course, but primarily this is the kind of look that I'm going for these days, with very clean skin, a good sunscreen to protect my skin and act as a moisturizer, and also a bare minimum amount of makeup to just take me through the day so that I look fresh and awake and go about my day. This is also the kind of makeup that I do when I'm going to pick up my daughter from her school, or when I'm just running a few errands. So without further ado, let's get started. Any good makeup routine or any good skincare and makeup routine is incomplete without a sunscreen these days. You can't really go out without using a sunscreen, although it is recommended that you use a sunscreen even when you are indoors, but especially when you're stepping out, a sunscreen is a must have in your routine. And I believe in using a light sunscreen which works for my skin type, which is dry in patches and oily in patches. It is a combination of both oily and dry, and also my skin's oiliness or dryness changes with the weather. Stepping out without a sunscreen is not advisable for anybody, and whenever you're stepping out, applying a good amount of sunscreen and reapplying it every 2 to 3 hours depending on your sun exposure is recommended. And I'm always on the lookout for a good sunscreen which will work well for my skin type, which will not make my skin oily, which is natural, and which is not going to give me a white cast on my skin, which will sit nicely under my makeup, which will also not make me sweat, because a lot of sunscreens make me sweat. So I'm always on the lookout for a sunscreen which fills all of these criteria that I've spoken about, and I think I finally found something which suits my skin really well, and it ticks all the boxes that I've just spoken about. I'm talking about the Lotus Organics Hydrating Gel Mineral Sunscreen. Now this is one miraculous product. I really love this sunscreen, and I think it is a great product to try, especially during this time of the year when your sun exposure is high and you really need a good sunscreen, and also something that will sit beautifully on your skin under your makeup, not leave a white cast. This ticks all the right boxes for me. It also has SPF 30, PA+++, and it protects your skin from UVA and UVB rays. It is preservative and artificial fragrance free, and all skin types can use it because the texture is really light and gel like, and it spreads easily on your skin. I like to take a nice amount. You need to take at least a teaspoonful of sunscreen to apply on your face and neck. If you are applying sunscreen on your collar area and your arms or whatever other areas that are exposed, you need to take more, but for your face you need to at least use 1 teaspoonful of sunscreen. So this is a very light gel like formula, like the name already says, and it gets absorbed into your skin easily. Like it takes like a minute or two, but then it does get absorbed, and it does not make me sweat immediately, which is a really important criteria for me, because a lot of times I'm not able to wear sunscreen only because they make me sweat a lot. So that one big problem is obliterated here. Also, the key ingredient here is frangipani extract. This is a flower that I'm talking about, and this flower, the extract of this flower is the key ingredient here. It gives a nice soothing effect on the skin, so that's why the skin does not sweat. The sunscreen is very calming on your skin. Also, it has natural titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which are the sunscreen ingredients which must be present in a good sunscreen to give you a nice natural physical barrier against the sun's harmful rays. It has SPF 30, so every time you're out in the sun, remember to reapply it every 2 to 2.5 hours if you are continuously exposed to the sun. If you're not, then you can apply it whenever you are going to be exposed to the sun. 15 minutes before your sun exposure, you are supposed to apply your sunscreen, and then once you apply it, you can leave it on for about 2 minutes to just settle into your skin, and then you can go about applying your makeup on top of the sunscreen. It has no parabens, no petroleum ingredients, and no sulfates, and I trust the brand. I've been using a lot of their products over the years, and I really like all of their products, and this one product is definitely a must-have if you're looking at a good sunscreen this season. The packaging says this product is 99% natural, and how cool is that? I mean, to have a product which is 99% natural is like almost all natural. So that is a really cool thing about this, because we are all moving towards ingredients and skincare products which are natural, close to nature, close to natural, or as natural as possible. And 99% natural is a really tall claim, and I'm really happy about the fact that, you know, this suits my skin so well, and I can continue to use it over the next few months. The application is really easy. Just take the right amount onto the back of your hand. That's where I take it, and then I dot it all over the face after, of course, washing my face. And once the product has been dotted, just massage it into your skin, leave it on for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can apply your makeup on top if you want to. So what I really do is, like in this video, I have applied my sunscreen, and then I've applied some concealer under my eyes to cover my dark circles, and then just for a flush of color, I've used a nice lip and cheek tint, used it on my lips and also a little bit on my cheeks, followed up with a highlighter on the cheeks, on the high points of my cheeks, and a little bit of mascara, and I'm good to go. I really love keeping my makeup also bare minimum and very simple these days. You can go anywhere and everywhere with this look. Just switch up your lip color a little bit if you want to, and you are good to go. That was my current skincare and makeup routine, keeping the summers in mind. The hero of the whole look is definitely my Lotus Hydrating Gel Mineral Sunscreen. This is a really good product to try. You can wear it on its own also, but it goes beautifully with your makeup. I'm going to leave a link to this product in the description box down below, along with a coupon code that is mentioned here, and also in the description box, which you can use to get an additional discount when you purchase this product from their website. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this helpful. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bye.